Hi guys, welcome to Wednesday, April 8th. This is going to be a pretty short video. I just want to go over your social activism journal entry. A lot of you have been having questions about the journal entry. I gave you that example, so for the first one, follow the same pattern when you're doing all the other ones by using the chapter that we are on for comparison and referencing that topic. Sorry, you guys. My cat decided she wanted to join the video. Say hi, Minnie. I know. This is Minion. Okay. She decided she couldn't be without me today, so she is joining our video today. So anyway, your social activism journal entry is based on a video this week instead of an article, which will be interesting. So just follow this link, and it takes you to a TED Talk. TED Talk is online social change, easy to organize, hard to win. So it compares back to our chapter 2 and mediated communication, so online technology communication. And I want you to watch the video and then answer the questions, which are already posted on Google Classroom. And make sure that your journal entries are good in length, just as the example before. Most of you have been pretty good about writing a good length, but then also make sure that you are using chapter 2 and taking quotes from it, taking references from it, and then don't forget to put page numbers in your whenever you reference something from the textbook, please and thank you. And then go back to the video and how it compares to the video and what she was saying in her TED Talk while answering the questions that are posted on Google Classroom. So that is due tomorrow. So make sure you are getting that done and turned in. Relatively short video today. That is all I really had to say. So that makes up for doing 2 parts in a video yesterday. I hope you watched the TED Talk yesterday, the one that wasn't for an assignment. I think it is a good basis for it. And please, if you want to use references from that TED Talk also to compare to in this journal entry, as long as you're still using chapter 2 references, if you want to add a little extra in there about what you learned in that TED Talk, go right ahead. That's great. And then, yeah, add your personal experiences as well, because those questions, which are in Google Classroom, sorry, I'm going. I'm grading your introduction speeches in your chapter 1 test right now. You'll see that the questions are in here, and also the video link again. And then my reminder that you're using your chapter 2 to answer the questions completely as well. So follow these questions, answer them after you watch the video, and then use chapter 2 as a reference point. And referencing back, don't forget page numbers. If you have any questions, please email me. Or set up a meeting. If you want to set up a digital meeting, you can do that. Just make sure that you give me at least 12 to 24 hours to set it up so that I can put you into my schedule. Alright? So have a good rest of your day. Very short video. Get this journal entry completed. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day. Bye.